Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and tonight I want something easy for dinner.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Anna is making my recipe for a salad with grilled cheese croutons. It's a dreamy weeknight meal for when you don't really want to cook. Muenster is my go-to for grilled cheese. Seasoning the sandwich with salt and pepper is a total game changer. Covering with a lid helps the cheese get melty and gooey. Spicy, tangy Dijon is perfect for salad dressing. A splash of water gets it to the just right consistency. I love Escarole's kinda bitter flavor and happy color. Best croutons ever. And that's salad with grilled cheese croutons in 4 ingredients. Let's eat!